My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent, and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. I have worked thousands of cases for IRS, and today I want to educate you about how closely is IRS going to look at your 433A and F. They're going to look real close at it. A matter of fact, that is the flagship form that they use when looking at your case. So not only are they looking at your 433A, they're looking at the accuracy on that form. As an agent, I've looked at thousands of them. Most of them don't make sense. Bank statements, tax returns, cost of living are way off. You need to make sure that 433A or 433F financial statement is correct. That's where IRS catches you cheating. They can make a referral to the criminal investigation or actually to the audit division. So if I'm looking at the 433A, what am I looking for? I'm looking to see what makes sense and, more important, what doesn't make sense. So a revenue officer is taught to look for the stink. That is what's not making sense at all. So the first thing I do is I look at the income you put on that page. That's where you put your income on the 433A. It's page 4. I'm going to look at your bank statements and see if that makes sense. I'm going to look at the expense you have. I'm going to look at the financial, look at the cost of living. If I know where you live and what rents, does all that make sense? I'm looking for the documentation that you supply. I'm going to look at the bank statements. You look at your charges, your things you charge that you shouldn't be charging if you owe IRS money. So you never give IRS a 433A, 433F unless you know how to prepare it, what to give it to them, and how to shape it and plan. And sometimes when they want it is not convenient. Sometimes you may want to delay giving them the financial statement a couple months so you can clean the stench up. So whatever you do, remember IRS oh, by the way, IRS does know a lot about you. They pulled your credit reports if they want. They pulled an accurate report on you, which is a search engine. IRS knows more about you than when you think. So when you give them that statement, just keep in mind IRS already knows some of the stuff they're asking you for. Be careful and make sure your bank statements at 433A completely line up or you're going to get busted.